Hello students, class 12. Today I am discussing a revision part of our chart, Pandas visualization, Pandas chart. Today I am discussing our line chart. Okay students, so today I am taking a practical example. So this is our Python program. You can see my mouse pointer and I want to double click. And you can see here I am choosing file, new file, and first I want to save this file. Okay, I want to save this file and I want to give line chart. Okay, I want to save this file line chart. Okay, you can see line chart. Okay, first we insert import pandas as pd. Okay, this is our library to deal with series and data frame, and for our chart we can use import matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Okay, this library is important. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, this is our chart. With the help of this library we can create pandas chart. Okay, so plt, this is our user defined name, pd, this is our user defined name, and with the help of plt we can access all the function of matplotlib dot pyplot. With the help of PD we can access all the pandas function which will use to create series and data frame. Okay students, so first of all I want to create a data frame student. Okay, is equal to, here I am using bracket. First I want to store student table, so here I am using simple our dictionary concept. Okay, you can see, so here I am using to store, first I want to store name. Okay, then here I am using colon, here I am using name Peter. Okay, here I am taking Smith. Okay, and here I want to store marks. Okay, so you can see this is our marks, and marks I want to store 50 and 60. Okay, so this is our student data frame. So but before, here I am writing pd dot data frame. Directly we can use pd dot data frame. Okay, so we can store our data frame. First I want to display this data frame. Okay, so I want to save this file and run this program. So you can see, this is our name and marks column, and this is our Peter and Smith. So this is our data frame, but I want to convert into data frame. So here I am using plt. We can use plt dot plot. Okay, so before, in x axis I want to show x name, and in y axis I want to show marks column. Okay, in x axis I want to show name, in y axis I want to show marks, and here I am using plt dot show. Here plt show is important. Okay, I want to save this file and run this program. So you can see, okay, here x note, here student, this is our here we can use student, because here student is our data frame. So I want to run this. So you can see Okay, this is our Peter, this is our Smith, and this is our line chart. 50 marks of Peter you can see 50, and Smith you can see 60 marks, or this is our line chart. Okay students, but I want to give plt.x label and I want to give plt.y label. In X label we can mention name of students. In Y label we can make marks of students. Okay, so I want to save this file again and run this program. So you can see in this, you can see in name of student, this is our X label, and marks of student, this is our Y label. Okay, now I want to use title. So here I am using plt.title. Okay, we can use student marks of class 12. Okay, I want to save this file and run this program again. So here you can see, this is our title, student marks of class 12. This is our X label, name of student. This is our marks of students. But here legend is missing. Okay, what is this line will say? So I am using legend. Okay, so here I am using plt.legend. Okay, so in plt.legend we can use, so here I am using in legend marks. Okay, and here I am using location is equal to best. Okay, I want to save this file and run this program. So you can see, okay, LEGEND. Okay, I want to run this program. So you can see, okay, this box will show this is our legend, means in the plot area everything, but what is this? This line shows this is a marks. This, so we can say this is our legend. Location based means here this space is right. Okay, because here no so much graphics. So here this space will suitable to show this legend. Now I want to save this chart into a particular PDF file. PDF file. So lastly we can use plt.savefig. Okay, I want to save this chart, suppose in D drive. Here I mention line graph.pdf. Okay, line graph.pdf. So I want to save this file and run this program. So you can see, okay, so I want to check in computer, in D drive, or you can see here I am pressing. So you can see here line.pdf. Okay, you clearly see here. I want to large icon. Okay, you can see here, you can see this is our line graph.pdf. Okay, I want to open this file. So you can see this is our PDF file. So we can save our PDF file, we can save our Pandas chart to a PDF file. So you can see here name of student, this is our X label. Here name of marks of student, this is Y label. Here student marks of class 12, this is our title, this is our title, and this is our legend. Okay, Peter marks have 50 marks, you can see, and Smith have 60 marks. Okay students, so today I am discussing how to create a line chart. So in line chart, first we create our data frame, then we can use plt.plot. Then we can decide which column you want to put on OX axis. So here I am using student.name. Which column you want to put in OY axis. So here I am using in student table marks column. Okay. So here you can also use this style, or you can also use this style. Okay, you can also use student in bracket, you can use name. Okay, you can use student. Okay, so you can use, so this is another way I want to comment this line. Okay, directly we can use data frame and particular column, and either we can use in square bracket, we can use a particular column. Okay, so both thing we can use, but when you use square brackets you must use single quotes in column name. Okay, so I want to run this program again. So you can see this is our output. Okay, so when you directly we can use dot for a column to access a particular column, or directly we can use square bracket. plt.x label method we always use to give OX axis title. plt.y label we always use to OY axis title. plt.title for entire chart title. plt.legend we can use for in a plot line we can give a proper what is the purpose of this line, what is the color show. So here show this line will show the marks, and here plt.save figure we can use to save our chart. We can mention particular location in D drive. In advance we can mention file name, and finally you must use plt.show method. So here this is our theoretical part, and this is our picture part. Okay, this data we convert into the picture form in a line chart. Okay students, thank you so much.